G'day and welcome to our Back to Basics series. Today I'm going to be talking about 4 to 20 milliamp and why it's so widely used in instrumentation and IoT and how it works. So 4 to 20 milliamps is really simplistic, but it's also genius. It scales sensor readings between 4 and 20 milliamps and also incorporates a fail-safe. But let me show you what that actually looks like. So up here we've got our sensor readings from 0 to 100%. Now this could be pressure, strain, level, whatever. Now across here are the readings from our sensors. So we've got 4 milliamps, 12 milliamps, 20 milliamps. Now what our sensor is going to do is when it sees a value of 0% from our sensor, it's going to output 4 milliamps. If it saw an output of 50% from our sensor, so if a tank was half full, it would output 12 milliamps, and at 100% full, 20 milliamps. Now that all makes sense, but the beauty of 4 to 20 milliamps is that when you have a reading below 4 milliamps down here in this zone, we could never have less than 0% reading from our sensor, so we know that there's an issue. So 2 milliamps here could indicate that your sensor has significantly failed and you have to go and resolve an issue. And that fail-safe logic is exactly why 4 to 20 milliamps has become such a globally recognized standard. And it's also great for IoT applications for this fail-safe mechanism, but also its low power consumption. And just recently, we've deployed these 4 to 20 milliamp sensors to monitor wastewater mainline pressure. Now, given that it's a critical asset, this fail-safe mechanism ensures that we know if our sensors are working accurately and reliably 24/7 and alarming if they don't. But if you do want to find out more, you can head to our website or give us a call.